Hi everyone, myself Ayush, and today I'll be giving a short intro about Kotlin and JetpackCompose. So basically Kotlin is for the backend part, whatever the code we write, and JetpackCompose is basically for the UI part. And in Kotlin we don't have to worry about the data type of the variables. So basically we write the keyword as well, and which can be changed, and we write the keyword well, like it works as a final keyword, the values we don't want to change. So basically if I show you the code, so basically this is our main activity.kt. Here kt stands for Kotlin, and in the main file we have the method like enableEdgeToEdge. So basically what does what this method do is, basically it is for the full screen, and the set content basically sets all the content which we want to set in the this entire screen of main activity. And here we have declared a method encoder decoder. So if I encode this method, so basically here these are my mutable variables. So basically we have a variable, say integer a, and we have to update that value, and suppose we have to then print that value, and again we are updating that value, and now suppose say we have to print that value again. So basically updating that value again and again without using multiple print statements, we can do that via mutable variables. So basically I have, if I show you the running code, then we have basically box. Inside this box we will be putting our various fields like image, column, rows, and outline text field, and this basically text field. So basically whatever these names suggest is the basic functionality of that. And if I show you, and we have used one button which will be like share that context. And here basically it is possible via our context, and context is basically the screen which we want to share, basically the context of this particular screen which we want to share. And for the encode and decode part, I have used basically the character ask I value, or basically the ask I value of that particular character, and I am simply adding +2 in that, so it will basically encode our data. And for basically decoding, it will be subtracting the integer value -2 from that, and it will again convert to that character value, so when I so that I can see my encoded text, and I can also see my decoded text. And basically for sharing the text, we are like we have to share that text via over Bluetooth or WhatsApp or Instagram or anywhere. So for that basically we use the intent, and what action I want to take, like I want to send the text. So basically we will use the method action send, and basically what type it is basically a plain text. So if I, and I have like this message will be displayed in the button. And for the background I have used my this logo, and for the for basically when the app will open, this logo will be appear, and for the background this image will be appear. So if I show you the code, also if I show you the application, so basically this will, which I showed you just now, will be opening here, and say actually this works well with my phone. So if I basically write so many text, say hi, my name is Ayush. So if I basically encode this text, I'll get this string, and if I just copy this text. I don't know why it is not getting copied. So basically if I type the text O, then this PCOG, so if I basically, when I will click on the decode button, it will decode my entire string like what I have encoded. Hi, my name is Ayush. And via the share button I can share this text across multiple platforms. Like this, here we can see. So basically in this by default phone, these are the application which are being installed, and if I install WhatsApp, so WhatsApp's option will also be available. So this was the basic encode and decode text. Thank you.